Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to quickly close the WhatsApp desktop app using simple keyboard shortcuts on your PC. This method is incredibly straightforward and can save you time when managing your open applications. Let's get started. First, make sure the WhatsApp desktop app is open on your computer. If it's not already running, launch the application as you normally would. Now, once the app is active and you're ready to close it, here's the easiest way to do it. Simply press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. This combination is a universal shortcut in Windows for closing the currently active window or application. When you press these keys together, WhatsApp will immediately close. But what if your keyboard has an additional FN key? Some laptops and keyboards require you to press Alt plus FN plus F4 instead. This happens because the FN key modifies the function keys to perform specific actions, like adjusting brightness or volume. Adding FN ensures the F4 key works as intended for closing applications. And that's it. With just a quick keyboard shortcut, you can close WhatsApp without needing to click around with your mouse. Whether you use Alt plus F4 or Alt plus FN plus F4, both methods are fast and efficient. If this tip was helpful, don't forget to try it out and see how much easier it makes managing your apps. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick tech tips.